Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a scene with a music visualization just using one asset. It's very simple. I use and have already downloaded this asset to the Unity. Also you need any song. For example, I will use this from the free YouTube library. Import this sound to the Unity. And create an empty object. Then add I will add meter bars component from this asset, but you can use any meter bars. Then you need to add frequency response bands and select a curve. Then add these two meter bars and select meter bar object. It can be any prefab. For example, it can be default cube, but I use this particle system with the light. So I will add this particle system to meter bar object, and then select a transform position. And after that, add a audio source and add audio visual script. After that, you can change. You can see a result. Okay, I will change meter width to 100, number of bars to 50, height 200, and scale factor to 3. And now the result will be better. Okay, that's how easily you can add an audio visualization to your scene. Thank you for watching and goodbye.